Hello, welcome. This tutorial is going to walk you through this hairstyle. So you're going to see how we made the stitch braid and how to accessorize the hair using this studs. Yeah, studs. So we had 6 braids going back. This is a hack to get your braided your straight back braids to be able to pack better in the middle, like a ponytail, like a half ponytail. So if you're going to have your hair packed like in a bun at the back, it is better off to make the hair to form like a pony at the center of your neck behind than for it to be straight back, and then you will have to like stretch the hairs on the side to fit into a ponytail at the middle of the nape of your neck. So that was what we did here. That little hack just makes it, if you're going to have straight back packed in a pony permanently, then use this style. It is safer for the edges of your hair at the back of your neck, and it's just more comfortable. So that was what we did. We had that single braid in the middle of where all the braids coming to the back are going to meet, just the same way we do when making a ponytail hairstyle. And that was it. After that, she used stitch rings to make my stitch braid. The hair we used is from Darling, and it's their easy braid. It's like an ombre color hair, and I'm just going to let you watch. You see how we attached those beads or those studs. So keep watching. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please leave a thumbs up. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Thank you. Enjoy.